which is the headquarters of Krishna district in Andhra Pradesh, sir. It is nearly 2 lakh population, a small corporation, and a larger ELB in the second larger ELB in the Krishna district, sir. So, as you know, sir, coronavirus and due to this pandemic situation, the entire all the districts, states, and throughout the world is very much fear about this spreading of the coronavirus, and the local body's role is a very key role in controlling the corona and taking preventive measures in all those things. So right now I'm presenting my sharing my PPT, sir. Please. Sir, is it visible to you, sir? My PPT?
Start. Yes, visible, visible.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Right. Next slide. So this is my profile of the city, sir. Actually, it is the as I said, it's a second larger ELB in Krishna district, sir. We are having 50 ward divisions, sir. Means that 50 elected wards, election wards are there, sir. The total population is 1,69,000, and as per the 2011 census, now it is comes to nearly 2 lakh population, sir. And approximately 54,000 households are there, sir. So how we are going to controlling the COVID activities and coronavirus, now I am explaining, sir. So as you know, sir, the 1 minute, sir. At the initial stage, we are facing a lot of troubles after Janata curfew introduced by our Honorable PM announced that due to coronavirus, everybody has to take all the precaution steps to safeguard the people. Sir, in this aspect, we are maintaining, we are giving a wide publicity to the public, and through hand pamphlets, mics, and all together through door-to-door pamphlets distribution and mic system and everything, sir. So we are from that date onwards, from March 25th onwards, nearly 2,634 cases are positive cases, sir. Out of which, for these 6 months, nearly 85 deaths, sir, which is very in comparative, we are lesser in the death rate also, sir. But actually, and after studying this 85 death cases are also more than 60 above aged people, not by the middle aged persons or other things, sir. So we are it is from at the initial stage, we are facing some 7th and 8th wards, like a very slum areas locations. They are reporting 2 or 3 cases at the initial stage. Then we are totally, as per the COVID protocol, we are maintaining the total, declaring the red zones and everything. And after the red zones and everything, people are stay home and not to come out as in the case of normal lifestyle. But even after announcement, also so many problems we are facing, because at the initial stage, a smaller number of testing centers and awareness among the people is also very less, and accepting cases are also challenging because at the initial stage the public are not aware of the symptoms and other things like that. Gradually, we are giving a wide publicity and to control the damage of the COVID, sir. And we are also facilitating nearly 6 lakh masks we are distributing to the people on free of cost, sir. Each and every person covered with 3 masks from our ELB side, and we are also for each ward we are having one health center, and from health center here in Andhra Pradesh there is a Grama Sachivalayam, Ward Sachivalayam means that for each and every ward, there is a group of all sectors like medical, revenue, police, municipality, and all other departments, one representative from the consisting of one ward secretariat. So from out of this ward secretariat, we are also appointing nearly 15 to 20 ward volunteers, sir. This is the mechanism we are getting the information from the public, and where the positive cases are reported or any symptomatic cases are we are reported, then we are shift them to the hospital and we are guide them for proper treatment. But with the help of this ward secretariat system in Andhra Pradesh, throughout the all 13 districts, in rural areas also, ward village secretariats are, in urban area, ward secretariats are. So this type of system introduced by our Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy Garu, we are taking very effective steps to controlling the COVID coronavirus. Further, we are also in all the ELBs. This is the mission. We are using the sprinkling of hypochlorites. So for every week, twice in a week, we are totally cover the entire our town limits with the sodium hypochlorite spraying, sir. And these are the persons from Ward Sachivalayam surveillance teams are there, sir. And for each surveillance team, one ASHA worker, one ward voluntary, and secretariat. And these persons daily go to the house to house and getting the information where there is any case is suspected. Then we are also checking, sir. And this is the from health department. This is the moving vehicle for conducting COVID tests are also, sir. So this is the system we are controlling the coronavirus and other things, sir. And for this, during this lockdown period, we are also opening 10 mini Raitu Bazaar or mini markets like this, sir. We are also maintaining the social distance in each and every school. In our town, nearly 30 schools are there, sir. All 30 schools are open for the vegetables and for provisions and everything. We are making a facilitation to the public not to go for crowded places like this, sir. So we're also, as I said, the formation of surveillance teams and other things are also, sir. And we're also tracing the foreign returns after the list getting from the government of AP. And we're also for home isolation for 14 days. Like this, we're also identify the migrant workers and other things are also, sir. We are also giving them for supply of food and other things after situation handling in our control. Then the migrant workers are making arrangements to their hometowns. So this is the role and reporting system of teams, sir. Every surveillance teams has to report to the primary level medical team, sir, and the medical team visiting the house, and they are also giving the second level medical team. If any suspecting case, then they are giving the proper medication and other things like that, sir. So from day by day, right from April, May, the tests are very slow, sir. After that, we are making increasing the tests are very for quick identification, and IAC activities are also giving a good results because all the sanitary vehicles are fixed up with mics and everything, sir. From every day, we are giving a wide publicity, and all the provisions are supplied to the door to door at the reasonable cost. And now the people are, everybody knows that without mask they are not come to the outside, sir. Also, hand washing and social distance, maintaining social distance, everything they are now they are practicing, sir. Even with the help of police people, our local body employees are also surprise checks are there on main roads and everything. If anybody found no mask, and then 100 rupees penalty is also there, sir. And we are giving free mask and free of cost. Then you will not, without mask, you will not come outside. From this type of some minor penalties are also there. And comparatively, now the lesser rate is 17.1 to 5% of the positive rate cases are also, sir. So similarly, we are also at the district headquarters. We are also again we are opening a new COVID care center also there, sir. And this is also helping the other affected people in the district. We are also giving a proper treatment to all the other people, sir. So without the vaccine, it is unable to control the virus. We are waiting for the throughout the world, waiting for the vaccine. But in the meantime, now the government offices, the schools, education institutions are day by day open there with day after day classes and other things. Similarly, they are also maintaining social distancing and also all observing the COVID protocols. Frequently, we are giving masks and everything, and even in this situation, our public health workers staff and our health staff and other people are playing a vital role, sir. They are also very much really they are taking a risk at their life, and they are doing their service, sir. For this, with all the combined efforts, now situation is in our control, and the cases of the positive cases are also in control. And now the situation is normal. All the business people and everybody knows the impact of the COVID. That's why they are taking a very care about their personal and even in the social system also, sir. We are also supplying the medicine free of cost to the people, sir. And we are conducting rallies and everything with all the people. Even on 6th November also candle rally is also there, sir. Like this, we are giving a wide publicity, and from time to time, because until and unless proper vaccine is there, till such time we have to maintain all these things, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are, and you can
Yes,
complete.
you are audible.
Sir, pardon, sir. Please repeat, sir.
You have 2 minutes time more, please.
Sir. Again, sir, one more thing. Due to implementation of this type of collective activity from all other departments, sir, revenue, police, and all other departments, and we are making 10 sector of different sector of government category people, and with the voluntary system, surveillance team, contact tracing teams, and even after the tracing, we are shifting them to the hospital. And after, or else if it is not any serious, then we are make them into home isolation, and all these things are the situation is controlled, sir. We are proudly say, sir, except in our AP, other things are very well. But here in Andhra Pradesh, we are making the success with the ward voluntary system, sir.
Very good, Mr. Shivaramakrishnan. Generally, you have been doing many things differently in your earlier Kadi Part 3 also and other municipality where you work. You are doing fantastic job. But here in this case, generally, if you see it's a SOP, which has been guidelines which have been issued. So I just want to understand from you that what differently you have done one or two things, no?
Sir, we are 100% we are following the standard operating procedures, sir. COVID protocols are there. like the social distancing and mask wearing and sanitization and all other things, sir, we are observing, sir, each and every government institutions and all other things, sir. I submitting my report in the my nomination paper also, sir.
Right, sir. But what we want to know that what different things you've done with the like with the collaboration with BHEL that I mean the spraying of this chemical and all, and then distribution of some ration or distribution of some food. Something different which you have done. Can you tell me?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I forgot this, sir. Actually, for in this code operation, sir. Actually, BHL people have nearly 300 beds they are supplying with their CSR funds, sir. And we are also supplying the food to the migrant people and other people like destitutes and other. We are maintaining two night shelters are also there, sir. There we are supplying food to the homeless people. And we're also from different associations are there, merchants association and all the people are, sir, in the month of April, May and June. They are giving provisions and everything free of cost to the in the slum towns. Nearly 30,000 people are covered by this activity during the peak stage of the COVID, sir. We are maintaining and
Okay, sir. Bhushan Mohan ji, sir.
Again, I'm not finding anything very unique. And unfortunately, Machilipatnam is part of Krishna district. Am I right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is the district headquarters, sir.
Now, unfortunately, Krishna district is number 2 from the highest district in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And when I look into the figures, because I have detailed figures on the Krishna district right now, you have typically confirmed cases about 300 per day over the last 3 months, starting from August beginning till 1st of November. That's the average which is going on. It has not come down significantly. There has been ups and downs, but it is going consistently. It does give a little concern. Yes, what has come down, or there is a trend of going down, is the number of deaths in the district. That's definitely going down. But another thing is very funny. There is no proper record of number of people tested every day.
No, sir. Here,
Just a minute, sir. Bhushan, sir. Sir, my request is that he is right now talking about the Machilipatnam only.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
case we can give the data.
I'm talking on the overall figure. So
no, sir,
under this backdrop, no. See, my question is, under this backdrop, what is the contribution or in a positive way which Machilipatnam has given to the Krishna district?
Sir, here Machilipatnam is a larger urban area, second larger. Vijayawada Corporation is more than 10 lakh population and we are having 2 lakh population. And nearly 68 to 85 smaller villages and mandals are there, sir. So here in urban area, we are about our nearly 62 mandals are there, sir. Villages, small villages.
Okay.
In Machilipatnam city itself, we are also catering the services to the rural people also, sir. We are having the everyday case by case. We are having the dashboard. We are getting the reports and everything, sir.
Number of cases
No, your actions are very systematic. So I think you have done fairly well. My only point will be to keep on measuring the outcomes of all your efforts and try to concentrate more on the area. See, because the things have changed over the last 4-5 months. Today, migrant labor is no longer an issue.
Yes, sir.
Homeless people is no longer an issue.
Yes,
all
sir.
those things have settled down. So today, your importance should get shifted towards the spread of the disease, more on the contact tracing and other things. So I would just suggest you should keep that in mind when you're going forward, because this problem is going to continue for another 6-7 months.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
we cannot keep on talking about migrant labor. That is okay. That was there till the month of June. You very
Yes, sir.
rightly said so.
Yes.
After that, the concentration should go more on isolation, your catching of the disease, testing, providing the medical services. I think those are the things which are more important as you go along, and those are the things which need to be monitored on regular basis. So it's an excellent job done. I think you should take care of that in future.
Sir, one more submission, sir. Here in our city, some 20th and 21st ward, sir, which are nearby to the seashore, sir. There, only single cases are reported, sir.
Oh,
Where
that's
because the
very
people are very much much knowledge about though there is literacy rate is lesser, but they know the about the seriousness of the issue, and here like that we are drastically come down to the in the urban areas, sir.
Very
good.
good. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. I would call our next presenter, Mr. Binu Francis, Kozhikode Municipal Corporation. The project is Chalam Rehabilitation at Kulwan Kudeo, U under PPP mode. Mr. Francis, it's over to you.